Okay guys, so we are going to pick up our guest for today.
Oh my god. Okay.
Whoa. They've made crabs
Okay.
and prawns.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life Designer. So guys, today we're going to cook idi erichi, which is Kerala style idi erichi. Okay. Idi erichi is a shredded meat, guys, which is roasted in coconut oil and a lot of masala. Today, mouth-watering, guys. So today
really
we're going to
mouth-watering.
cook that. Along with that, we are cooking crab and also prawns. But we have already done here
So we are not
videos you
going-
can check
Yeah.
here.
So we are not going to show it one more time because already we have done it, very good tutorial.
And we're doing it because of popular demand. Everybody after seeing the video, they're like, please make it once more.
If you guys didn't watch, go back to our previous video
and watch it again, guys.
Yeah.
So guys, let's go.
Yeah.
Yes. Today we are going to a market to buy few things. We are cooking again. So guys, we are going to Parangipalaya market, I guess, and also on the way we need to, oil. So on the way we need to go to the petrol pump and also what else, bro? We need to buy crab, prawns, and all those things. A lot of list is there.
We might get fresh crabs.
Okay.
So once we get that, we go to get the vegetables.
Okay.
So we have crabs and prawns that we need to buy. So
Whoa.
let's get the first.
That was a
fresh
hump.
crabs.
Okay guys, early in the morning. Amazing. It's drizzling, no?
Yeah.
It's not raining heavily, but
not
guys, it's
raining heavily,
drizzling and
but
it's really
cold.
chill.
Yeah,
Cold.
it's very nice.
Very nice.
And these trees, when you go under that, it's got those showers also, so very nice.
Very beautiful. Super crowded. It's better you wear mask and do social distancing. So I think we have crabs, right? We need the blue ones.
Yeah, we do have blue crabs.
Nice.
पूरा वाइट रहेगा प्रॉन्स हो गया सर फुल कटली चाहिए पूरा कटली चाहिए कटली 70
Crab. Next to next. What?
You want to get live crab?
Who will kill that crab?
Last time we got live crab. Not
Yeah.
the last time, but the last time.
How can we kill crab?
We can fun. We can try get more tasty and more fresh.
Okay guys, I'm in a queue here to get chicken. Still more time to clean our crabs and prawns. So by that time we're going to buy the other veggies. Okay guys, so here we have a bunch of coriander leaves and mince, curry leaves, all those things. Okay guys, so we got all the vegetables we need. Ingredients for cutting.
Oh my god.
So
The table is completely colorful with all the ingredients.
everything, guys. These all are for our prawns and crabs.
Yeah.
So in the side we are making the idi erichi.
Yeah.
So these are-
we have a lot of ingredients.
Look at
Yeah.
all of them grabbing it.
Okay, so everyone is busy with their own task of cutting, chopping, peeling and all.
onion, guys. I'm doing.
Guys,
Literally.
literally right next to onion.
Eo is looking like a
God, I forgot.
Eo is looking like a green chili, red chili, and she's doing a green chili grate.
Yeah. I would
Oh my god.
So
Great.
guys, there is
What is
also
Grey
we
doing?
need to wash the chicken also.
Okay.
So come let's. So
Yeah.
we have here 2 kg of chicken, guys. So today
Oh my
we're
God.
going to make 2 kg of idi erichi.
Shit.
So first step is to clean the chicken properly. So I have diced into small pieces if you guys can see.
Okay.
So now I'm going to clean it.
Uh-huh.
So onions are going on.
Peeling.
Yeah, chilies. I need to take this top thing.
Bro, everybody know that. Obviously.
I'm doing that too.
Oh, what is this? You guys brought it on the.
This is dates.
Shit.
Yeah.
Look like this. I never
This
knew.
is the fresh
I
dates,
only
guys.
thought.
Have it, no, try it out.
You can have it now.
And I even heard that grapes doesn't taste sweet initially.
Dates. Yeah.
They add sweet and then they become sweet.
Eat
They
it
are
and
not
eat it and
originally-
say.
Eat and see. This is the
Eat
real
and say.
taste of
This is the
Okay,
real.
this is the raw date, guys. It's red in color. Let's see how this tastes.
Yeah.
She didn't expect this, I think.
Well, let me see.
Tasting like dates.
This is so good. Seriously, better than the dried dates that we get. So fresh,
Eating it more.
so juicy, very nice. Yeah.
Okay, what is Drix doing?
Small onions, I got saved. Actually, before cut small onions, few more are there. So I'm just adding more.
Okay, so these are for crabs you made.
Yeah.
Okay.
for crabs. And these I'm gonna make for the idiarchi. And this is actually a little time taking than what I expected. I thought I escaped from the gun.
You'll need a lot of people, man. Lot of hands.
I got trapped.
My lord. Okay, guys, so we're going to cook our chicken first. So I have cooker here.
Cooker is ready already. And then what are we going to do for getting that
So
smashed?
first we need to boil the chicken. So for that I need water.
Okay. Here.
So I'm going to pour around.
Lot of water.
Yeah.
So the chicken will correct.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
have 2 kg chicken here.
Okay.
So we'll need to pour at least 1/4 or half of the cooker.
Okay.
So now we need to put turmeric powder.
Okay.
You can add how much ever turmeric powder you want. It's up to your taste.
Okay.
Actually, turmeric powder is used to remove all the dirt and
Yeah,
other things.
It's like a cleanser.
Yeah, it is.
And then after that, salt.
Okay.
We use rock salt.
Rock organic salt. Okay, guys.
Salt. So just
Mix it properly.
mix it properly
Yeah. Oh my god.
and put the chicken.
Yellow solution.
So now I'm going to put the chicken.
Okay, all the 2 kgs chicken into the cooker.
It's gonna be soft after.
Yeah. I'll hold the cooker.
Yeah, thanks. Sorry, wait.
So
So
now
we're going to close it
Okay.
and put it in medium flame and then close it. 4 whistles, guys. Then it's done. Okay.
I'm wondering how it will taste inside my mouth. This is the first time I'm having this smashed roasted chicken. Oh my god.
We'll wait for 4 whistles and then we'll be done. So we'll go to our ingredients and cut the onions and all those
Yeah.
things.
Boil.
Yeah.
Actually, chicken will boil for around 2-3 whistles. But I am hearing that Grace saying it's 4 whistles, which means it will be so soft.
Yeah, it have to be
Smashing will
smashed.
be very easy, I guess.
Yeah.
Shredding.
And-
Shredding.
I think
Shredded.
It's shredded chicken.
Oh my god. Shredded,
Okay,
roasted.
guys, I think Rix have completed onions.
beautiful purple.
Lot of efforts behind shallots. How did you feel these many onions? I think this was quick than before, right?
Yeah.
So guys, we're going to make ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
So I'm adding ginger. Okay guys, so we're going to try the paste. Shit.
Okay, that happens.
That happens, right? Okay.
Oh my god, this is so nice. Can I touch it? No.
Guys, the crab curry is going together.
We're gonna start prawns very soon.
Today is full non-veg cuisine, right?
Complete non-veg. Prawns, crabs, chicken. Especially, I'm very excited for this shattered, shredded, roasted chicken.
Yeah,
because we have
finally you
never
got
had
the
it.
name.
Yeah.
Idiarchi, come on, say it.
Idiarchi.
Yeah.
Is chicken ready?
No.
No, it's still
Two
boiling.
more,
There's
2 more.
Two
Wow,
more whistles
waiting
and
for
then
that.
we'll be done with the chicken. Wow. Okay, let's see how that goes.
Yes.
Yeah, I think there is more water is gonna come out. Is it because the water is too much or?
No, that's fine.
water
Even
is
this
too
has this issue. This cooker has
It's
this
fine.
issue.
Uh-huh.
I guess it's fine. How? This is the third whistle?
Yeah.
It's going to come now.
Do you want to taste the crab?
I think it's getting ready. Let it
Okay.
Whoa. Be careful.
Lot of
Water.
I'm going to reduce the
okay.
flame.
So how many more whistles do we need?
One more, guys.
Okay, one more and then we'll be done.
So let me ready the other things.
Okay.
Okay, so we have our onions.
Okay.
Small onions. We did the ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
It's also here. Chilies, curry leaves, and more to go. So I'm going to get those things.
Yeah.
So guys, meanwhile the chicken is cooking, I'm going to ask them few questions. What is your opinion about Giray's cooking?
Gray asking about Gray's cooking. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm really excited for the
Really?
Okay, for the recipe. Okay. Okay, so I don't know how Gray does it, but I'm pretty sure this comes out really well.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Guys, Neville's our inspiration.
Let's do
I am
it.
excited about her thing because it's
Yeah.
chicken and things.
And that too shredded, roasted. Oh my god. Generally
But
shredded
I
becomes-
am-
Bro, talk about my cooking, not about the
I
shredded
am a
chicken.
little confused about her last cooking. She made a decoction for us. And that was
Oh
a
my
big
god.
story.
Actually, I don't.
Guys, it's not like that. That was long back.
Actually, I don't have any prior opinion on Gray's cooking because
Yeah.
this is the first time we are having her food. Like she cooking.
Guys, I've
the
done it
chicken
before.
smells-
You guys
Yeah.
don't
Please ask
remember.
this question once we get the food ready.
No.
First time.
Guys, I think that will be better because these guys are going to give you false opinion. No.
But yeah, I think it's going to be good.
Guys, because it is chicken, okay?
As a-
Not because it's
And
gravy.
we saw her preparing, okay? It was so nice. Like she's sitting and listing down the
Exactly.
ingredients and all of that. So I really think she's going to do a
Yeah.
What surprised me is she's
What?
pretty like she has
Clear
clarity on
about
this.
about the ingredients.
Like 4
Yeah.
visits and I was like, oh,
Yeah, till now all the
Talk about my
going well.
Kaipuniam, what do we say?
that you should
hand skill. Okay.
Okay. Maybe after that, guys, after that.
Yeah.
So guys, quickly, what all we added is we first put coconut oil and then we added garlic paste into it and then chilies. Chilies after frying it into a sauce-like format. Then we added shallots and also onions.
Okay.
So now the onions are fried properly
Yeah.
and we also put salt into it.
So that the cooking
Yeah.
process will be faster.
Okay guys, so into this we are going to add crushed red chilies. Okay.
Okay, now we are adding chicken. No?
Yeah, maybe the chicken falling on the
Guys,
pan.
chicken is already shredded and
Okay, kept here.
kept here.
Yeah.
You just
Okay.
tasted some amazing food and she's lost control now.
Okay guys, we are going to put the shredded chicken into
Finally, yeah.
Okay.
The most awaited part.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
There is a lot.
Bro,
Yeah.
this one looks like a chicken biryani from a long view.
Exactly.
It's just
We have chicken, prawns, crabs, whole lot.
Today I will
Shredded, roasted chicken. Oh my god.
You're gonna have it? Is it done? Chicken is cooked now, you can have it at
Okay,
any
at the end we are finishing up with little bit of
No,
organic
it's not the
coconut
end.
oil. Oh, it's not the end, guys.
Yeah,
It's a lot
it should
more.
fry a lot. So I'm
Okay.
adding more coconut oil.
Yeah. Okay, little more Guntur chili powder. Oh my god.
Bro,
Look at that.
need to add pepper.
Okay.
Pepper right after the garam masala.
Ending, finishing the
Yeah.
curry, giving the finishing touch, flavor to the
Yeah,
shredded
this is the
roasted
last
chicken.
ingredient, guys. Pepper.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look
Guys,
at
you
that.
will have to wait until it dry. You need a lot of patience.
Okay.
Garlic.
Shit, chopped garlic on
Yeah.
top. Lot of curry leaves for the fresh, fresh taste, fresh
the finest
flavor.
spices.
Oh my god. Can we add coriander leaves also?
No,
Give
no,
more
no, no,
flavor. Oh my god. Okay, what next?
Okay, guys, this is done actually.
Okay.
So everything we added. Now we'll have to make it dry. That's the main process.
Okay,
Yeah.
every ingredient is done.
The whole
Every ingredient
point
is done.
Okay, how is it going, bro?
It's going really good. If I have 4-5 hands, I will be like.
I'll try mixing it.
It's a lot of mixing. Mixing from long.
Yeah.
Because it
Guys,
takes time.
yeah, it should properly, become completely dry. You can keep it little high.
Actually, we can shift and mix. That would be better. Yes.
Now I got rices.
Our MMA training working here.
Okay.
Slowly, everything is getting ready. We cooked one batch of rice, but it's very less for all of us. So we kept a very big vessel with lot more rice.
Oh my god, actually we are cooking rice in batches.
actually very
Since we
big
have a lot of people.
right now.
Yeah, this is the second batch, actually final batch. We
Okay.
are doing it in bigger one. Before we did it in cooker, that was little less.
Yeah, I think for dinner also it might
Yeah.
help.
Yeah, obviously dinner is crab, prawns,
Oh
and
man.
idiocy.
For 2 days, no need to worry about any curries.
2 days?
Yeah,
Really? I don't think it will
I don't
stay
think
for
so.
2 days. Ask later.
I don't think so.
Little
Unless
so
the prawns
sure.
will be over today.
Yeah, prawns. Sure.
I don't think it will stay up till night.
Bro, I didn't taste prawns.
Ah, why?
I am doing something. This is the prawns.
Yeah. You can go try it.
Man.
It's already getting over, guys.
This is so thick. Yeah, I think my shadows are coming.
Okay, should we add more coriander in prawns? No.
If you
Should we?
ask me, I'll say yes because I am a fan of coriander.
Yeah, then we'll add. There is a lot of other coriander. Don't spoil it. Okay, there are a lot of opinions.
Opinions.
Let's do the best
Yeah.
one. That was perfect. Okay.
More mixing going on.
Yeah.
Okay, salad is also ready, guys.
Oh, we made salad.
Yeah. Simultaneously, they coordinated and did this salad.
Nice. Salad is like must do things
Yeah.
every time we cook.
And this time we had coriander leaves along with tomato and.
I can taste lemon.
Yeah, we added lemon also. Very tasty.
This is like multitasking, man. Everyone is doing different tasks.
Yes.
Leo is washing. Grace stirring, mixing. Lit is arranging the wash things.
Yeah.
Zoe is getting ready the table so that we can arrange all the cooked things.
Yes, a lot to clean.
Nev took a break from cooking crab and prawns and I think she's gonna go to cleaning department right now.
Yeah, I just arranged the vegetables on table.
Okay.
Give me space to walk.
Sorry. Okay guys, we'll continue cooking idiarachi and I think it will be done very soon. We'll see while when it gets ready and we'll show you how it tastes.
Taste and show you guys.
Okay guys, so we are going to pick up our guest for today, and today Zoe is driving and I am sitting beside her. Yeah.
It's been so long I drove. I think I almost forgot it, which is why I thought I'll take Leo. Any help she'll do.
Okay. So where is this place?
This is nearby. It's in a place called Harloor.
Okay.
So it's like just like 10-15 minutes away.
Okay.
Which is from HSR.
So I think we'll reach so far.
Yeah, very soon.
And because of rain, road is very much wet and all. Oh.
Hopefully there's not much traffic. Morning it wasn't a lot of traffic when me and Gray went out to get the vegetables. But
Okay.
let's see.
We'll see.
Yeah, this is Sarjapur.
Sarjapur Road. Okay, this is Sarjapur.
So we basically just took like one round and came. Okay, so
Yeah.
it's all connected. I told you about the army quarters, no? So
Yeah,
that
yeah,
takes
yeah.
up the mid space, and then we can. It's like one round. Sarjapur, and then we're going back to HSR. So it's like that.
Wow.
So
Looking good. This is my favorite place.
yeah, we've reached the place, guys.
Yes, we reached. So our guest will be
Successfully
here.
reached. Let's call him and see.
Yeah, we can see.
And yeah, that's better.
Can we park inside?
We can probably take it. We don't have to park. No? We'll be immediately leaving.
So we reached.
I like the grass.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
It's called
What is that called?
horsetail bamboo or something.
Oh, you know every name of that.
Anything related to horsetail, I'll know. Even yesterday's was horseshoe.
Yeah.
Maybe. Never mind. I forgot.
Okay. So we reached and we'll be. I think we need to call him and ask.
Yes.
Been waiting for you
Sir
since
is here.
morning.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Hello.
We will surely treat you with some good meal for the wait, sir.
Fine.
Yes. So we are going back to office.
Yay. So, sir, are you excited to taste our food?
Very.
So we're making crab curry for you. We've got some prawn roast kind of a thing. And we have something called idiarchi.
What is that?
It's a
Idiarchi
Kerala
is-
special.
Yeah, the Kerala special. It's usually made of dried meat,
Hmm.
shredded dry meat, and but today we're going to make it with chicken and roast it and then shred it, sort of a thing.
Okay, sir. What are the things you planned for today for us?
I want to talk to you about some dreams and what happened. Who basically is a fisherman. He's a very remarkable person. He rose from being just a fisherman to sewing up torn fishing nets.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And then he learned some basic mechanics about how to repair engines in fishing boats. And then this way he grew. He is close to 80 years now.
Okay.
A self-made man, very proud. And it is he who used to bring very big crabs. And he asked his wife to cook, and he taught me how to eat.
Crab. Nice.
Because sometimes eating crabs could be a messy affair.
Yeah, that's correct. It's a
And
little difficult to have.
Yeah, you need to use both hands, no?
Yeah, both hands for remove.
My God.
I did.
It's gonna rain now.
Okay, guys, we cooked a lot. Everything
Yeah.
is here.
So everything is plated perfectly. So we have. Okay, what are these?
So we have Neb made crabs
Okay.
and prawns.
Okay. And then we also have hot rice here. Okay. And
we have
The special
Okay.
idiarchi.
okay, really great. This took a lot of effort
So
for
guys,
cleaning it
today
and
we
all.
have a special guest, that is Mr. Chandrasekhar.
Mr. Chandrasekhar.
Come on.
He is a person who's very close to us, and he's the owner of this house. A lot of us have asked. A lot of people who see the vlog is always, thrilled about the house.
Yeah, exactly. They've been asking, which is this beautiful house?
Okay, he's taken care of it so well. He is also a retired IG, and
Okay.
a person with profound knowledge, and he'll actually be taking interesting things for us. We'll see that.
Actually, we had a class before on Meridian, and it was really interesting and lot of new things, lot of knowledge which we don't find in textbooks.
So today also we find
yeah, here we have it again. Very good.
For sure.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so let's taste.
Yeah.
So we have sir also to taste. How is it?
Very nice.
Wow.
So we want separate reviews for this.
Too much nice, Mom.
Very nice. She made it.
Okay, all of us made it. It's not me.
is my favorite.
Okay. All of us made it.
Yeah, the small onions are his favorite.
Oh, we added a lot of them.
What's the word? English word?
Shallots.
How is it, sir?
Too much
So now, can I give you a little more on the bowl?
Which is your favorite? I can salad or idiarchi. This is difficult to choose.
Come on. Don't do that to me.
All the three taste so different and it's very unique. So
Finally, all three.
it is 33.13, 33.33, 33.33.
Shit. Yeah, so when these all 33s combined, we'll get 100%. So everything, the whole plate is 100% right now.
The glass here was meant as enough lighting for dressing. You see, it is directly under the under the dressing.
Dressing room. Yeah. Sir, and what is the idea of using rocks instead of bricks? Like we see a lot of rocks here in the house.
I was very fond of rocks,
Yeah. Okay.
and rocks has many advantages. It is never too cold, and it is never
Too hot.
too hot.
Oh my god.
requested to go on to the Mediterranean where the warm weather would help them. And thirdly, I come to a personal experience, and that is I went on a Mediterranean cruise in 2009, September into October. It was a very good season, very sunny and very bright. So I traveled from Innsbruck in Austria, leaving Innsbruck at 4 o'clock in the morning by bus and reaching Genova in the northwest of Italy. That is where we started the cruise. So went from Genova city and got on to the ship, and then for about 8 days we went to different parts of the Mediterranean, and this cruise created another interest in me.
Guys, you just have seen Sri Chandrasekhar sir talking about a lot of things about Mediterranean, lot of other things coming soon, because he's a person with that much knowledge and he's kind of an encyclopedia.
The information that he says, I'm pretty sure you won't find it in
Anywhere.
any books, any website.
Because it's that detailed and he's been researching on this for years, and this is that correct, guys.
It's that unique because he didn't find it anywhere. He just acquired by his experiences.
His experience.
His life.
People need this.
Yeah.
This kind of
this kind
This is
of
what we
mentor,
need.
to guide them.
And his narration is not just a line or a sentence or somewhere it's copied. It's like a story and it has a proper
It was like a
structure.
story. I was just listening, and it was just like a
however
full
low
story.
it is,
Learning
just
is
share it.
pure out of passion, guys. Like he has a lot of passion on what he's learning.
Being
that
a-
brings out true learning and true knowledge that he has gained till now.
Being a person who doesn't like history, I heard to the whole narration without blinking my eye, which means
Because it's that exciting to hear what happens next. It's so
his way
thrilling.
of storytelling was that interesting. Like you won't even look anywhere else. You just keep listening to that.
And such a big person, and he came down and interacting with us. We didn't even feel that separation.
He's so friendly. He's not like a separate person. He's like one of us interacting with us.
Mostly
It's just like a friend.
And
It was really fun actually.
and he's ready to support us and in anything.
any
like,
way.
he's very nice person.
to help and support
And
us. Thank you so
generation,
much.
our generation like this need mentors like
Mentor
him.
like this.
It
Who's
was such a
who's ready
great.
who's ready to open up all the knowledge and being so friendly, so interactive, so open to share his knowledge.
Yes,
That's really
guys.
amazing.
So
at
these
this age.
knowledges that he shared will not be uploading in this channel because it's not justified with all this kind of mess that we're doing here. So guys, we'll be uploading it in our another channel, which is Secretly, separately, so you guys can chill and watch it separately, guys.
Upload it soon, and we'll mention the link in the description.
Yeah, we're working on it, so we'll be uploading it soon.
Soon you can
Yes.
see all the lectures, all those things. Please don't miss those things.
Do
guys.
watch
Very
it because
informative.
you won't find it anywhere else.
Yeah.
It's
So
that
guys, so guys, if you like today's video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell